Okay, guys, another part. Just had to share one little part with you. If you feel comfortable, try doing this. What do you feel? Well, you might be feeling like a buzzing sound in your throat. Well, that's also a type of sound that's coming up to your ear. I think I forgot the name of the special part, but there's a special part in your ear that makes you hear the sound, and that's vibrating and also travels to your ear. Like, it travels to my ear, which I can hear, and I can also hear like a buzzing sound in my throat. So yeah, bye guys. Well, bye curious minds. Bye.